god, which one's which?
The gold stuff. The one.
Oh yeah, this one? Okay. Going in. How do I do this again? Hold this first? Or do you turn this on?
Yeah, you have to pull it off, turn it all the way. There you go.
Now I pull this one. Yellow light. 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
I wanted to find the flamingos, but read that they only live here in the winter. If you're lucky though, there's a little place near Setbull where they can be spotted off-season. So I woke Lou up with the sun to see if we could find them. Why not practice driving and drawing in the same day?
Turn the key.
Well, that's my biggest drive yet with Odie.
Yeah, you did a great job.
Whew. That was a lot. Now let's go draw. My dot on the map turned out not to have any paths. I don't know if there's going to be any flamingos today. I fell on my butt on a slippery slope and laughed about it.
Took a little tumble, huh?
Oops. I made a chair out of a weird piece of styrofoam so I could sit in a stinky marshland. Lou chased me around with his camera until his feet were covered in mud.
Oh no.
We saw what looked like a shark lost in the shallow river and wished him our best. There might not have been any pink flamingos, but it didn't matter. We made another Sketchbook Stories, and we did it together.
Your butt is all white.
White?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Let me see. Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend coming closer.
Oh, this thing's so deep.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, I don't think this will be a good spot for my seat.
You gotta keep going.
Oh man. Lou.